Great to see you. Hope you're doing well. Lots going on in our weather, so come on in and we'll check this out together. I'm your American weatherman, Carl Rippy. Now, with the continued gusts that we've had, some of these disturbances have picked up a little bit of momentum. We've had some winds. We've also had our share of showers. That is going to continue. We will see out in the open water also some of those winds that are going to stir things up a bit. Our wave height is going to be a little bit higher than normal. We'll talk about that in a second. Our easterlies, the trade winds, are going to be fairly consistent. We are going to have some gusts though. Those gusts are also chopping up the water just a bit. And what they're also doing is they're keeping us away from having just a long duration storm. We're going to get in on an intermittent shower here and there. We really see that as we drill down just a little bit further to get an idea of what these clouds are going to be doing, how that's going to affect us. The heavier the clouds, the more likelihood we have of getting a shower. And that's going to be especially prevalent as we get into the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, an intermittent shower not out of the question. Thunder shower also going to be part of our forecast, and that's going to come right over our area. Temperature-wise and wave height-wise, we are going to experience a change. We'll be in that 1.5 to 2 meter range. That's going to really affect us as we get into the afternoon, into the evening. But speaking of that, into the evening, temperatures are going to drop off. It's been kind of hot during the day in the lower 90s. We'll dip into the mid 80s as we get into the early morning hours. So as you're out and about enjoying the beach, it's going to be fairly pleasant. We get into the morning hours, dipping down a little bit more. Afternoon, not bad for the pool, kind of lay out and about, going to be really pleasant. So one thing that we do have going on, you'll notice as we get past the weekend, those storm chances do come up. So we will notice chances of that next week. Now that's something to be aware of, as we do have those chances increase quite a bit into next week. Now that's a quick look at our weather on One Happy Island that is available on Linky TV and Aruba Native News. I'll see you again soon.